full mouth zirconia only facial layer anteriors. It's pretty simple. We already set the color based on A1 underneath color. So all I can do with the created is a little bit darker color, is compensate the color in order to match the final base A2. However, I want to make it a little bit better enamel overlay the facial. It's very unique to build up. I don't make it too big, I don't make it too small. It looks like the tooth set up. So here's GC America initial GR porcelain. Here's the tooth width, another lateral, very little. So I'm trying to compensate the size width, like that. Overlap the underneath. So here's the basic background. I put the gum colors first to bake. Okay, here's the mono, so I don't have to do anything. There's a 4 unit. Create natural as possible. And now here's a canine, just a little bit. So I'm going to fill with the pink after I fire it. Right? And then the other is canine as well as the EOP4 enamel over color, which is my favorite color. Okay, so I do not have much condense. So I just using the tissue and then take a look at the linger. Will be okay because I'm going to check after fire it, and then using the Ibex porcelain system. Then I fires about 30 minutes. Good. Full mouth zirconia, that is behind the scene, which is we made the frame design and slightly cut back facially. We apply the porcelain and then make the natural as much as possible. Not only that, you see our pink color differentiation. So we added, remember yesterday, last week, so you videotaped about how to build up my porcelain here and gingiva. So that was the final scene. Make sense to you? But the other one is the molar is the monolithic. So we follow the prescription path, and then we try to leave it this because to me not necessary. Probably they're trying to prevent this tooth is not more tilting to medially. They don't want to rub it. Anyway, the finished restorations